Welcome to Astrology by Veronica at Tarot Reading Zone. In this video, we are going to talk about the traits of Capricorn born between 22nd of December to 19th January. Capricorn is a cardinal sign and they are the achievers. The symbol of Capricorn is a sea goat and they are ruled by the element Earth and the planet Saturn. The house that is ruled by Capricorn is the 10th house. Talking of the personality trait of Capricorns, Capricorns like to be in control of their life. They are determined but like to keep everything low-key. They like to set goals and focus on achieving them. They want to be secure because it means they have that sense of control and they will do whatever it takes to succeed. They don't rush, but instead take their time enjoying the moment. Capricorn people are very ambitious individuals who are born to achieve. Their life motto is I attain. People born under this sign of the zodiac have a single goal in mind, and that is to leave behind an assortment of achievements for which they are revered. Capricorn individuals may have a negative trait of being overly materialistic, as their drive for success often gets them into this habit. These individuals are extremely hardworking and disciplined. In an affair and in a serious relationship, if he finds it is deteriorating, it may take Capricorn a long time to make the decision to finally leave. They have a strong sense of responsibility to their partner, so they will keep trying and working out things until they have reached a breaking point. Once a Capricorn realizes they have made a mistake settling with someone, then the parting will be abrupt and final, and no amount of plea from their partner will be accepted. If the lover leaves them, they will try to patch things up before accepting defeat. In any case, they will quickly get back up by deciding to focus on themselves. Attract a Capricorn man. Show him that you are ambitious, independent, and driven. Always look classy and put together, and don't wear clothes that are too revealing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Do like our video and share with your friends. Thank you.